So when did you start your KCET preparation seriously?
Seriously, in the beginning of this year, 2025 January.
How was your journey from JEE to KCET?
So JEE preparation, I knew the concepts, but solving the questions obviously felt hard because I did not have enough practice. But since I was already, well versed with the concepts, switching to CET was kind of easier.
How do you think the strategy for JEE and KCET will differ?
For JEE, it's not time based; it's more concept based. So you need to know the concept in depth. For 75 questions, you have 3 whole hours. But in CET, it's not like that. They expect you to finish each question within a minute.
In 180 minutes.
So it's like in CET, they focus on your accuracy more. But in JEE, it's more about the concepts.